life cycle method in React. Okay. In React web application, actually we have seen that, okay, in React web application, actually a collection of independent components, okay, which runs according to the interaction made with them. Okay, every React component has life cycle of its own. Life cycle of a component can be defined as the series of method, okay, has its life cycle. Okay, and component is defined as the series of methods that are invoked in different stages of component existence. Okay, with the use of lifecycle method, you can override to run code at a particular time in the process. Okay, each component in React has a life cycle which you can monitor and manipulation during its phases. Okay, there are three phases in life cycle. Okay, life cycle method, they are mounting, then updating, and unmounting. Okay, four stages or phases of component, okay, that are initialization, then mounting, okay, updating, and unmounting. The main phases are mounting, updating, and unmounting. Okay, let's learn a little bit about these four phases. Okay, this initialization, okay, this is the stage where the component is constructed with the given props. Okay, with the given props and default state. Okay, this is done in the constructor of a component class. Okay, in this stage, okay, where the component is constructed with the given props and default state. Okay, in this stage we construct the component with given props and state. Okay, this is done in the constructor of the component class. Okay, then next one is mounting. Mounting is a process of creating an element and inserting it in a DOM tree. Okay, mounting is the process of creating an element and inserting it in a DOM tree. Okay, here let's see. Mounting is the stage of rendering the JSX returned by the render method itself. Okay, then next one is updating. Updating is the process of changing states or props of a component and update change to node already in the DOM. Okay, it means that if you change a state or props of a component, then that is known as updating. Okay, updating is the stage when the stage of component is updated and the application is reprinted. Okay, then next one is unmounting. Okay, unmounting is the process of removing component from the DOM. Okay, as the name suggests, unmounting is the final step of the component lifecycle where the component is removed from the page. Okay, if you want to remove, okay, then the final step is unmounting. Okay, let's see these components methods, okay, or these phases in the figure. Okay, here React provides the development a set of predefined functions that present is invoked around the specific events in the lifetime of the component. Okay, here in the initialization method, okay, set props and initial state of the component in the constructor. Okay, we initialize components or props or state in the constructor of the component. Okay, then the next phase is mounting. Okay, then updating here, updating g, okay, updation or updating. Okay, then unmounting. Okay, this mountain phase consists of four phases. Okay, or four built-in method. Okay, that is one is constructor already. Okay, one is constructor already. Okay, the initialization is the phase of this mounting. Okay, that is the constructor. Okay, then next one is component will mount. Okay, component will mount. Then next one is render. Okay, then another is component did mount. Okay, for props. Okay, component will receive in updation, okay, component will receive probes, okay, then for state, okay, then should component update, component will update, render, okay, component did update, okay, then in the mounting phase, okay, we have one method that is component will mount, okay. We will learn about these all phases in the next video, okay. This is all about the overview of life cycle in React.